The OTMNow rate maintenance application can be launched directly from the OTM user menu. To start, simply log into OTM, click the OTMNow menu folder, and click on the rate maintenance link. From here, select the mode of the rates to be uploaded, click the Browse button, and select the file you just received from the carrier, and click the Submit button. The rate maintenance tool will run all the validation checks to ensure accurate and complete data is provided in the file. Once the validation is completed successfully, the CSV files are generated. Users have the option of downloading the CSV files for historical purposes, but are not required to do so. Once you click Post, all the files are loaded into OTM and a results screen displayed. At this point, all the rates have been successfully loaded into OTM, and a user can simply exit the screen. In case the file to be loaded has incomplete or incorrect data, the rate maintenance tool will run all the configured validation checks, and if errors are found, will provide the user with simple and easy to read errors. Here we show an example of a rates file received from the carrier, which has several errors. The validation prevents the user from entering incorrect or incomplete data into OTM, and also provides a user-friendly output that allows the user to easily make any corrections and attempt to upload the file again.